Hey folks, happy Friday. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at 5 o'clock. Look at this, our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam. Can't even hardly see the interstate there from the parking lot. Maybe see one or two semis there off on the horizon. But this is what we're dealing with for most everybody at this hour. That dangerous air quality, that thick air that you can feel in the back of your throat, in your nose. And we do expect that to continue on and off as we go through the weekend. This also a smoky downtown. One of our producers, Rachel, uploaded this one to our website, valleynewslive.com, so showing that smoke right in the metro as well. The air quality alert does continue until 3 p.m. on Tuesday for Minnesota. This was just updated here a few hours ago. But in North Dakota also expecting dangerous air qualities as we go into and through the weekend. So satellite and radar shows what we're watching. See those kind of brighter whites there up toward the south, up toward the north? Those are clouds, the higher levels that are being detected by the satellite imagery. Where you see kind of that more milky, that gray color, that's that smoke. And so we're seeing that across the James River Valley, all the way across the Southern Valley into portions of Minnesota. It looks like our friends in Duluth have a bit more clear sky at this hour. So the smoke right now mainly focused, especially in the Southern Valley, up toward the Jamestown and Valley City areas, seeing a lot of that milky gray on our satellite imagery at this hour. This is the source of some of our smoke near Little Grand Rapids in Manitoba. You can see that smoke actually coming right off of those wildfires there in portions of eastern Manitoba, and we do expect that north wind, you can already see kind of starting to push that smoke southward, will continue funneling that smoke into our area here as we go through the next few days. There in Fargo right now, 81 degrees, that current air temperature, but look at the dew point there, 53 degrees, that dew point, so a dry air out there, so not nearly as humid as it has been for the past couple of days. Temperatures off towards the south where we saw some clouds hanging on a bit longer today, and we have some haze ongoing. Lower to middle 70s there for our friends off toward the south, but 80s elsewhere from Fargo and points northward. 81 in Fargo, as I was saying, 86 in Grand Forks. Satellite radar shows those clouds we were talking about on the satellite imagery in northern Minnesota. Maybe a few raindrops falling from that. There's a little bit of a weather wiggle up toward the north. We could still see a few showers or storms pushing their way from north to south as we go through the rest of the evening tonight, but I do expect most of us to stay dry for our Friday. And taking a close look in here, seeing maybe a few of those raindrops in extreme eastern Beltrami County at this time, but just a few clouds then moving toward Thief River Falls at this hour. But of course the hour by hour shows what I'm talking about with this weather wiggle. Notice there's a little line of showers and storms pushing their way north from north to south. Again, by 9:30, most of us staying pretty quiet. Looks like the best chance of that shower and storm activity looks to be in Minnesota here later on tonight, perhaps even into the overnight hours tonight as well. But it's not going to be enough moisture to really help those folks who need that moisture in Minnesota here through the overnight. Notice things are dry by the time we wake up, 50s and 60s for those temperatures. That north wind, a cool, dry air force in the morning hours. North wind, though, does pick up as we go through the lunchtime hour. That will help temperatures only warm into the 70s by lunchtime, but it will also bring that smoke in from the north on our Saturday. Expecting some thick smoke in some places thanks to that north wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Expecting 70s and 80s for those high temperatures, but really haze will depend on just how warm temperatures get in some spots, as that haze will mute those temperatures in some locations. But by and large, expecting 70s and 80s for those high temperatures on our Saturday. In Fargo, expecting those temperatures to start off in the 60s with that north wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour in the morning, and then 10 to 20 miles per hour as we go into the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, though, outside of that haze. The haze sticks around for Sunday, sticks around for Monday. Temperatures noticed in the lower to middle 80s. Now Tuesday, Mike, as I was saying earlier, I think is when we can start to see some of that haze pushing back up into Canada. So I do expect a break in that haze. And hey, maybe an isolated shower or storm on Thursday and Friday.
Take it. It's sold.
Hey, there you go.
All right, thanks.
You bet.